Hey guys, welcome to Nate's Carving Creations. Today we're wood burning again. We're going to work on finishing up an Indian girl I started the other night. We're going to burn in hair. Up here I got it all Sharpied out. And then we're going to do some decorating and skin tone. Alright, so while my tool heats up, we Alright, now I'm cooled down to about 350 degrees. We're going to shade all this and these gems here. Alright guys, well, that's it for today. We started on the feather after we got all this shaded in. So we made some good progress. Now I just got to figure out what to do in between the hair out here and in between the gems. Alright, if you have any ideas, leave them in a comment. As always, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, both of which would really help me out. But until next time, as always, keep on carving and burning.